haciendo cola. Miles palomos metido el lío. Y tú me tienes atracado ahí. Y tú me tienes aquí.
Big round of applause for Karishma and Robin. Hi, Anushka. We'd like you to say a few words, please. Thank you. Now a few words from the lady herself.
Good afternoon, everybody. I'm really happy to be here. I think one doesn't need a reason to celebrate love, but it's nice that Gitanjali is taking this initiative and making people express their love in more ways than one. And I'm really happy to be associated with the brand. I've had a great working relationship with them, and I think jewelry is very important to a woman, not just because it makes her feel beautiful, but it is also a sense of, stability, and it gives you like a kind of security. So jewelry is important to women, and it should be important to men also.
Yeah, Anushka, please continue to be on stage with us while I call upon Mr. Sushil Sharma, the Vice President, International Business, to unveil the Valentine collection by Gitanjali Jewels. Thank you, Mr. Sushil Sharma. Maybe hand the mic to Anushka, please. So, Anushka, what most people in the audience... Okay, maybe request the photographers to settle down. We need the cameras to come in. And anyone with their questions ready yet? Where are the mics? Okay. Yeah. May we have a show of hands to whoever wants. Could the photographers move behind so the video cameras can come ahead? It's okay? Okay. Anyone with a question, please raise your hand. Sorry?
Could you take a mic?
Yeah. Valentine's is round the corner. Tell us, how do you define
My
love?
fellow friends, photographers. वो कुछ पूछ रही है. हाँ जी.
Yeah. Valentine's is round the corner. It's season of love, of course. So tell us, how do you define love? What is love to Anushka?
Hui. I think love is when you can think, feel for somebody selflessly and as much as you might think for yourself, and their happiness and their concerns, their problems, you are bothered by it. And I think it's, to me, that could be with your parents. That, in fact, there's nothing beyond the love that your parents, have for you and you have for your parents. That's the only one that is unconditional. But otherwise also, you can extend this to everyone, to your friends, to your boyfriends, husbands, other kind of friends.
अनुष्का, कभी जैसे यहाँ पर 20% ऑफ सेल डिस्काउंट मिलेगा, ऐसा कभी आपने फायदा उठाया है कभी सेल का कहीं पर?
सेल का?
हाँ, सेल का.
हमेशा, कभी नहीं, एक सेल नहीं छोड़ी है. जब हम स्कूल में थी, मैं कॉलेज में थी, तब there was like, whatever money you had from pocket money, वो ही होता था. And the only way you could go and buy things is if you found out. In fact, मैं तो इतनी जुगाड़ू थी कि I used to go and find out कहाँ पे ये surplus वाले कपड़े मिलते हैं, these brands, and then they have these surplus stores. So I used to go and find out where you get them in Bangalore. So you could, like, anyone can ask me and I'll tell you any store to go to and where you'll find what in Bangalore. So I was like fully into like sales.
और अब इन दिनों?
इन दिनों भी. Why not? In then also when I'm traveling abroad and I see like 70% off and all that, I just start getting, I think it's my middle class person sensibility, I get excited. 70% off, like it's free, and I run. So yeah, so I mean, it's always nice. It's always nice to save some money, no matter what.
अनुष्का, ज्वेलरी की बात हो रही है, तो ऐसा कोई गिफ्ट, ऐसा कोई प्रेशियस गिफ्ट आपको मिला हो वैलेंटाइंस डे पर? एनी डायमंड सेट और एनी गोल्ड रिंग और व्हाटएवर, एनी ज्वेलरी?
No. Sadly, no. No one's ever given me anything on Valentine's Day. But my parents gift me, they gift me jewelry. My parents are the only ones who gifted me jewelry in my life. And I buy it for myself. And my mother gives it to me on my birthday or any, if she's proud of me. So I try to keep trying to make her proud.
अनुष्का, ये तो रही बात गिफ्ट्स लेने की. आप किसे गिफ्ट देना चाहेंगी? जब अभी आप गीतांजलि से जब आपका टाइप हो चुका है, तो आप किसे?
मैं इनसे खूब सारी ज्वेलरी लेके जाने वाली हूँ आज. मैं किसको देना चाहूँगी?
जी.
Yeah, I'm sorry to sound repetitive, but for me, like my mom.
Apart from your family.
लड़कों को तो ज्वेलरी देते नहीं है ना वैसे भी. Unless लड़कों को ज्वेलरी नहीं देते. कहाँ पहनते हैं लड़के?
They wear rings. Yeah. They wear rings and.
Y'all wear rings? No guys wearing. Only their wedding rings they're wearing, and only he's wearing. He's the only one who's wearing it. They have rings also for men, and who would I like to? भाई को दे दूँगी. And if I find some attractive guy, उसको दे दूँगी. If I अच्छा ठीक है, चलो कोई अब मैं क्या करूँगी? मेरे पास कोई है नहीं किसी को ring देने के लिए. मैं कहाँ से लेके आऊँ? But ठीक है, चलो. If I find a good-looking guy on 14th. I promise you, I think ये लड़का बड़ा handsome है, मैं जाके उसको ring दे दूँगी.
Any co-star of yours or your friend, someone?
नहीं, co-star तो मैं co-star को नहीं, उनके पास बहुत पैसे हैं, वो खुद खरीदेंगे अपनी rings.
Anushka, any memorable Valentine evening or Valentine date of yours?
It was actually a really sweet gesture once when I was in school. I think I was in the 9th standard, and everybody was getting like roses and whatnot. And I think maybe I seemed like a very unapproachable girl. I mean, I assume, because किसी लड़के ने आके मुझे ना फूल दिए ना कुछ दिया. So I was feeling very bad, like, damn it, सबको मिला, मुझे नहीं मिला. And I was fully like judging myself. But then when I opened my bag, I found like a couple of cards, and when I went back home, and like chocolates and stuff, and like one flower. So that was, I think, quite special, because I was feeling very, very dejected. Like I was feeling very, very inferior to everybody because I got nothing.
So do you still think the same? I'm sure not, that you're the most unapproachable girl.
Do I think? I don't know, you tell me. I mean, a guy should tell me actually. What will you tell me? A guy should tell me. I don't know. I don't think I'm unapproachable at all. It's just that in school I was a bit of a, I say what I want to say, and I'm not like a shy girl. So I guess maybe guys get a little intimidated by that. In school they did. Now though everyone's like fine. Now it's okay. Maybe calm down हो गई हूँ.
अनुष्का, एक सवाल है फिल्म से रिलेटेड कि कई
So many girls. I'm not seeing one single guy there.
कई सारी फिल्में हम देख रहे हैं आपके पास आ रही हैं, जा रही हैं, रिप्लेस हो रहे हैं. मतलब क्या चल क्या रहा है? सही में आपको कोई रिप्लेस कर रहा है कि इट्स ऑल न्यूज़?
यार आप ही लोगों को पता होता है ये सब, तो मुझे बस पता है कि मैं कौन सी फिल्में कर रही हूँ.
तो हम जानना चाहेंगे कि आप कौन कौन सी फिल्में कर रही
Right now I'm only doing 2 films. I will start shooting for PK very soon. We're going to in fact start doing readings day after tomorrow, and then I'm going to start working on Bombay Velvet. These are 2 films that actually require a lot from me, because बहुत मेहनत करनी है characters पे, and एक तो period film है Bombay Velvet, so you can imagine the work that's going to go into it. So right now, for now, this is what I can tell you about.
और कोई फिल्में आप नहीं कर रही हैं? जो भी चीज़ें हैं वो सब
अभी मैं ये 2 फिल्में कर रही हूँ.
थैंक यू.
Anushka, say hypothetically you got the chance to direct a Valentine's Day sequence. So how should the boy and the girl go about, celebrating the day, if you had the power to direct it?
Direct a sequence as in film?
Yeah. Say, a chance is given, either music video or anything about a Valentine's Day. So how would you go about recreating that on screen?
Is it, why am I doing it?
Hypothetically, if given a chance, how would you do it?
I won't do it. I can't direct to see my ass. I can't do it.
So you wouldn't even have an idea, an ideal way of celebration of Valentine's Day?
See, it's a very subjective thing. To me, I prefer simplicity. I think I find love in very small gestures, not with like big display of, like in large ways, like I don't know what, booking one whole restaurant and all that. मेरे को 2-3 चाटे मारने का मन करेगा. But I think it's more about small things, just unexpectedly when someone can shower you with love and attention. I think that's, to me, more special. Okay. I'm very low maintenance like that.
Thank you. And one more question apart from the topic. Vishwarupam has been banned in Tamil Nadu. The release of Vishwarupam film. So your reaction on that, a movie not getting released in a democratic country like ours?
I'm sorry, I have absolutely no idea about what you're talking, so no point in commenting on this. I'm sorry.
No, but I'm telling you, it's not getting
but
released
I
in
would need
Tamil
to, I don't trust in news entirely. मैं खुद जाके पढ़ूंगी, then next time I'll speak to you very soon.
Okay.
You really have to ask me that question. Obviously Shah Rukh Khan, na?
On screen and off screen?
On screen, off screen. Everywhere. Backdrop, like everything, Shah Rukh Khan. He's the most romantic. Because he's, I think, the most, he respects women a lot. And I think that is something that, to me, is extremely nice. Exactly. Yeah, extremely charming. Anything else?
Lastly, if you could...
Lastly, we would like a few pictures of Anushka and the jewelry.
Anushka.
Anushka, could you please give a Republic wish for the viewers, please? No, we'll then finish it up.
Hello, here's wishing all the viewers a very, very happy Valentine's Day.
Republic Day. Republic Day. 26th.
Republic Day. Hi, this is Anushka Sharma, and here's wishing every Indian a very happy Republic Day. I hope we can work towards making a better country.
Thank you so much. We had a great evening today, and hope you spread the message of love.
Thank you, everybody. Very happy Valentine's Day in advance. Spread love. Bye.